Oh dear. Is that a cutoff? I think that was a cutoff. Oh hi, how you doing? I think that was a cutoff. Too close, thank you. Assholes! Sorry, your turn, wanna move? It's on up your butt there. Thank you! So go already, will ya? What the hell was that? Are you from park there or what? Totally dead, brand new car. Nice. Don't. Masshole! Toyota, fuck you too. You just love going slow, don't you? And of course, there's someone coming. McDonald's dive. Teach her how to, read the yield signs. Staying in lane. Yeah, cop truck. What are you doing? Just force your way over. Are you making a left here, or are you just being an asshole? Just being an asshole. Slow down, scumbag. I'm doing 65 and a 55. I'm doing 73 and a 55. Pardon me. I'm going too fast. He's way too fast. Oh, found your blinker. That's nice. Come on, another one. Jesus Christ. Where the fuck are cops today? That's gonna get you nowhere. Told you so. And pretty sure that was a cop. No, you really shouldn't have gone there. Because Toyota. Asshole left in progress. accelerate. You're supposed to be in the lane. American Carbonation Corporation. Is that for alliteration? Get off my ass, lady. Get the fuck off my fucking ass. Stop playing with the phone or the console or the radio, whatever the fuck you're playing with. Hey! Jesus. Pay attention! Diggy bimbo. So much editing to do. Lady, pay attention. It's not a lane, bimbo. Oh, Jesus H. Christ. Try blinker, asshole. Anyschool.com. Oh, fuck you. Fuck the fuck out of you. Goddamn assholes. Don't let this fuck bag in. I'm going around, fuck it. I don't give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck right now. Puma's Pallet World. God, I hate this place so fucking much. Uh-oh. 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 Get off my asshole. You fucking asshole. Yeah, we got a conundrum here, don't we? Do you wait your turn, or do you cut somebody off? I know the answer. And there it is. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, how you doing? And direct to the left lane, no reason, superdouche! Use a blinker when you do that, shithead. Hi, cut off, cut off. Is this the next step, cut off? Call it next step. Yeah, that's the next step, cut off. Turn your turd, masshole! Alone in the car with the mask on. Is this shit ever gonna end? Jesus Christ. Straight line, lady. Stay in a straight fucking line. Hey, yeah, nice cutoff. Yeah, nice. Are you turning left or are you just stupid? It's stupid. Okay. Ah, shit. I'm not gonna... Damn it. I ran the red light. I'm sorry. Slow down for the speed bump, lady.